Hey everyone, welcome to Rethink Health. My name is Daniel, and on this channel I teach and promote how you can live and what you can eat that leads to a healthy lifestyle for the whole family. And today on this video I'm so excited to show you all you need to know, a recipe for the best chocolate smoothie that your kids will love to the last drop. Coming up next on Rethink Health. So welcome again to Rethink Health. My name is Daniel, and today we're going to talk about the chocolate smoothie. There's some really key ingredients in the chocolate smoothie, and you think, well, chocolate isn't good for me, but it is. Pay attention. The raw bean that we get our chocolate from is called cacao, C-A-C-A-O, I believe. It is very nutritious, and the raw bean itself is kind of where we get dark chocolate. You know, the closest to 100% dark chocolate is really good, the closer you get. But see, what happens with our chocolate today, how we get cocoa, is it is processed so much that it destroys all the good nutrients in it. And then after that, they add sugar and preservatives, whatever. So it makes it really not healthy at all for us. So a couple of things about cacao. Cacao is filled with over 700 antioxidants. As I explained in my other video, the green smoothie video about antioxidants, cacao has, along with kale, but cacao has even more, 700 antioxidants in it. And these are so good for fighting off the invaders that come against our cell, trying to destroy it, and keeping our immune system strong, especially with our diet today where we're very toxic and deficient in what our cells need to promote health and to maintain health. Cacao is just such a great superfood. Another thing about it is that it cleans and gives our vasculature system, our veins and arteries, what they need, supporting the walls to prevent atherosclerosis, which is hardening of the artery walls, which causes heart disease. And heart disease is the leading cause of death worldwide. So if we can have these clear arteries, that's amazing. And even where the cacao is grown in other parts of the world, those villages around them that have cacao in the bean in their diet every day, there's like little to none heart disease, and they're so healthy and vibrant into their old age. And the last thing about cacao is said to be the highest source of magnesium in food. Magnesium is what we're in our culture with the standard American diet, very deficient in. And we can see this in a lot of pain and symptoms that are caused because magnesium is used for over 300 things in our body, like our brain health and the functions of our brain, our nervous system, our lungs, our heart. Every organ really is a muscle, and magnesium is used in our muscles and in our skin as well. So along with the cacao in this smoothie, we have the avocado. The avocado is really a perfect food. It's well-rounded in everything that you need, from vitamins and minerals to aminos to enzymes, healthy fats and fiber. It has it all. So really this smoothie is just a powerhouse of nutrition, and it tastes amazing, and your kids will down it to the last drop. So how can you get this cacao? Pretty much every health food store, natural health food store, the organic section in supermarkets, they all have packaged. You can get them in they're broken up into little chunks called nibs, or cacao nibs, or you can get them in powder form as well. We have some at the rethinkhealth.com, the product page, that you can get as well, and that we love. We use it here in our home because they added green powder to it as well. So powder from fruits and vegetables that have been juiced. Actually, I think it's just vegetables. Leafy greens like barley and kale and spinach, arugula. They've juiced them and dried them into a powder form. They added them to the cacao, and you can't even tell. And it's so amazing that your kids love this, and they're getting all those nutrients. It's really cool. So who knew that a chocolate smoothie and chocolate could actually be healthy for us and good. I'd love to hear from you. Do you have a recipe for a chocolate smoothie that is really good? Share it. I'd love to know more about how we can even improve our chocolate smoothie. Let me know in the comments section below, and if you like this video, please hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you next time.